and welcome to the Error Genie YouTube channel. In this comprehensive guide, we'll show you the step-by-step process to delete your 8-ball pool account. Whether you're decluttering your digital life, safeguarding your privacy, or taking a break from online gaming, we're here to make the process smooth and simple. Before we dive in, it's important to note that 8-ball pool, created by Miniclip, doesn't offer a direct option to delete your account. But fear not, we've got a workaround for you. Let's begin. Step 1. Start by opening your preferred browser and visiting the official Miniclip website. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Confirm your username in the top right corner to ensure you're in the right place. Step 2. Once you're certain, navigate to the settings section, typically represented by a gear icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Settings again. Step 3. Within the Settings section, locate the Account tab and click on it. This will take you to a page displaying various account details, including your Miniclip ID, email address, and password. Step 4. Now comes the tricky part. Since Miniclip doesn't offer a direct delete account option, you'll need to contact their customer service for assistance. Scroll down to the bottom of the account page and click on the Contact Us link. Step 5. The link will direct you to the Miniclip support page, where you should find an option to send a message. Craft it clear and concise. Message stating your desire to delete your 8-ball pool account. Be specific to avoid any misunderstandings. Remember to include your account details like your Miniclip ID to help them identify your account. Step 6. Once the message is sent, all that's left to do is wait. The customer service team typically responds within a few business days to confirm they've received your request and are processing it. Step 7. During this waiting period, it's best to refrain from using your 8-ball pool account. This makes it easier for the customer service team to handle your request and prevents any potential issues. Step 8. Once you receive confirmation that your account has been successfully deleted, you're done. It's as simple as that. However, remember that deleting your account is a permanent action and can't be reversed. Be certain before proceeding. We trust this guide has been enlightening. If you have any queries or require further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below.